Hello YouTube, it's Blindpcguy here, and today we have an unboxing video. I managed to secure a Xbox Series S console, and we're going to take it out of the packaging. It's brand spanking new. So I'm going to try to get this seal off. There. Don't want to damage the box. I'm going to end this clip, guys, and we'll continue here in a second. Turns out there's a seal up here you have to get too. That's why it wasn't coming. And is there one over there? No. Okay. Let's see. Let me guess. And we have one on here. So there's one on each of the three corners. Okay, guys. So I lost a little bit of footage due to my phone dying. But there was two other seals on the bottom and then on the other side. But let's open. Hey. And here's the Xbox. Looks like we got a Power Your Dreams badge. And man, is that tiny. Let's take it out of there for a second though. Because there should be some other stuff. Instructions. But there should be more. So I'm gonna get the styrofoam out and then we're gonna continue. Hashtag blind guy problems, guys. There's a box right here. And in here we have our HDMI cable. And our power. Standard tube, kind of like what Xbox has been using for a little while. And then over here, we have the controller and some batteries. So let's try to get the controller out. Ooh, there's some difference in the way it feels compared to a 1S controller. There's a little more grip. Okay, nice. And back to the console. Let's just sit all that down. And start taking that off. So yep, there we go. That's just gonna slide right off. And check it. So we're gonna pop the seal. Ooh, that's toasty. Yes. And here we have the new Xbox Series S. It's got legs on the bottom and on one side. So you can stack it like this, or lay it like I had it before. Looks like a speaker here. And on the back we got our Ethernet, and our USBs and HDMI. And then I think that's the SSD expansion slot there. Yep, HDMI expansion, No, that's the chart, or power. Power, HDMI, expansion, 2 USBs, and Ethernet to make up the console. So let me get it hooked up and we'll go from there. Okay, so she's all hooked up. So we're gonna hit that power. And I did not mean to cut. My monitor should be coming on. Check out the new boot screen. Yeah. So, while we're waiting on this to boot, this is my first next-gen console. And I'm very much excited to dive in. Oh, controller's pre-synced. Hey, that's nice. So I'm going to go through the first time setup, and then we will be back. Alright, so YouTube, I've got the Xbox going. I've been downloading some of my games. They're all queued up. Sorry if you hear my dad singing in the background. We're fixing to play some music in a little bit. But, yeah, it's lightning fast, as you can see. I should show you guys through the capture card, but oh well. So, let me open up. We just finished installing KOTOR 2. Let's test this. I know it's an OG Xbox game, but yeah, that splash screen way faster than the old Xbox One. OG Xbox. Now, of course, this is in backwards compatibility. And now, ooh, and dang, how fast that synced my save. Oh, Lord, that's nice. I don't have any KOTOR save data for 2. Okay. Either way, guys, you should be able to see the blazingness of this system. What? Oh. I opened up the Xbox Assist. Didn't mean to do that. I meant to go here and close. So yeah, guys, I hope you all enjoyed checking out the Xbox Series S with me. It's hooked right up right here next to my Switch. And yeah, we're going to have some awesome content about this on the channel going forward. So please stay tuned. I will be reviewing it, talking about gameplay, and future games and streams shall be performed on it. So peace out, everybody, and have a great day. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. Blindpcguy out.